Hi guys, some of you might remember me, but my name is Andre. I am a senior sous chef at Charterhouse School. And today I picked another simple recipe for you, the one you really like. It's a chocolate brownie. Unfortunately, none of our pastry chefs are here today, so I'm going to do my own version, but it's as good, trust me. Few simple ingredients. We need butter, chocolate, sugar, eggs and some flour. I'll talk you through the process. So first of all, you need to fill up the pan with some simmering water and put a heat-proof pan or bowl over it. First of all, we need to melt some butter. The reason we're doing this because if you put it in the pan, the butter will burn. This way, it's just gentle heat or steam, and it's just melting away really gently. Look, this is what we're looking for. I'll add the chocolate, and we just need to make sure that chocolate melts together with the butter. This recipe will be available to you as well, of course, to follow. It's really quick to make as well. As you can see, that's melting away really quickly already. Make sure your water underneath, it's not actually boiling. Just keep it on a simmer, just gentle heat. The next stage, we'll put in the sugar. And again, stir it gently and make sure everything's combined and nicely melted. This will take probably about 5 minutes on a gentle heat. Our chocolate mix is nearly ready. It's looking nice and smooth. What we need to do in the meantime, whisk your eggs. Whisk them till they nice and fluffy. That will do. And what we're going to do now is add the melted chocolate, butter and sugar onto your egg mix. I'll need to use a little trick because I haven't got anyone able to hold my bowl. So while whisking, keep adding the chocolate mix. Make sure you won't stop whisking, otherwise you'll end up with a scrambled chocolate eggs. Just make sure you stir it properly. Now, once we've done this, give it a one last whisk, and you'll see this mixture will become a little bit thicker, but what you'll notice straight away is the shine the eggs gave to this. So just combine it a bit more. I'm actually going to use the same bowl and put it back in. Don't put the eggs into the chocolate, put the chocolate into the eggs. Just in case you're wondering why I keep changing bowls. Otherwise, as I said, it'll cook. Last stage would be your flour. Now I like to sift the flour, and the reason for that is the mixture will become nice and fluffy and light. And also, when I'll finish with this, you'll always end up with the bits of flour, but very easy, just break it up. And that way, all your whole mix is going to be nice and light. Now, gently, we call this folding. So get a spoon and just keep turning around till all the flour will be incorporated in the chocolate mix. Nearly there. Basically, you don't want to see any white bits in the mix. What you can do at this point is preheat your oven to 150 degrees. You don't want the high temperature because you'll dry out and crack. So this brownie needs to be cooked at a low temperature, and believe me, for not a long time. So next thing, I lined up the baking tray with some baking paper to make sure that we can actually get it out. The other thing to do, you could grease it with the butter and use the flour, but I think there's enough calories in this recipe already, so there's no need for that. Make sure that your mix is nice, spread evenly, and we just need to cook it. I'll set the timer for 20 minutes and then we'll check it. You just need to make sure that it's a little bit wobbly in the middle, not runny, but it still needs to be a bit soft. And then we cool it down, trust me, it'll become a bit more solid. Okay. Yeah? Okay, I think we are there. This is what the brownie looks like cooked. And after this, we'll just slice it, portion it up, and serve it to you. It looks delicious. So today we completed another recipe. Make sure it's your favorite chocolate brownie. As you've seen, if you watch the video, which is on our website, along with the recipe, they're very easy to make. They are delicious, as you can agree. And send us your comments, your feedback, pictures, videos. Let us know how they go. And we're looking forward to see you soon, hopefully, and put these on the menu for you again.